In this video, we will see how to install VS Code, that is Visual Studio Code, on Debian Linux 13.1. First, verify whether VS Code comes as default application or not. See, you don't have Visual Studio Code. Okay, so open the default web browser, then go to code.visualstudio.com. Click on download or download for Linux.debian package. Both are same. Click on download, then click on this .debian package for Ubuntu or Debian operating systems. Wait a moment, download will be started. See, download started and its size is about 108 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, then we will install this Debian package. This will take time. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads, ls. See, here we have the Debian package. We have to install it. Sudo, switch to sudo account or root account, sudo dpkg-i, then code, then press the tab to autofill entire Debian package name, hit enter. Add Microsoft APT repository for Visual Studio Code, select yes and hit enter. We have successfully installed. Now go to all applications. See, here we have the Visual Studio Code. Click on it to open. See, we got the Visual Studio Code. Or close it. Just run code on the term. Just type code on the terminal and hit enter. Exit from the sudo user. Now run the code. See, we got the Visual Studio Code. Okay. So we have successfully installed ls. This file is not recorded anymore. So remove it. rm code space tab to autofill entire file name. Hit enter. Else we have cleared the space. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install Visual Studio Code latest version on Debian Linux 13.1. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.